have any specific examples of what it was like for a patient to get HidraWear through Tono Health on their insurance and what the benefits were?
Yeah, absolutely. So many of our patients have been able to get HidraWear through their insurance, and it has been, really rewarding to see how much it's improved their quality of life. We had a patient that had recently started college and was going to be away from home for the first time, and giving her the tools so that she didn't have to be afraid of having any drainage, etc., and to be able to wear, the clothes that she wants to wear and not having it be such a burden, needing to use these excessively bulky dressings. We have a patient who is a father with young children. He's driving them around to soccer games on the weekends, and before it used to be really challenging for him to sit through the whole game. There was, always kind of this fear of the drainage aspects. And then with HidraWear, now he feels really confident and comfortable going to the games, sitting with all of the other parents, not needing to go to the restroom to check and make sure everything is okay all the time.
Yeah.
And just even in his day-to-day, going to work, sitting in an office desk, all of those things can be extremely painful. And going back to what you were saying about, the element of pain and, the role that the dressings are playing in that, having a, wound care solution that is able to reduce that pain is so important for people to be able to function in their day-to-day and to, continue to do all of their normal daily activities from work all the way to the soccer games.
Yeah, completely. And actually in the clinical trial there was 30% of the patients who were enrolled had previously required pain relief in advance of a dressing change. So they would kind of take some painkillers before they knew they were going to be taking off their bandages, and using HidraWear, no patients needed pain relief to do a dressing change.
That is incredible. I had no idea. No, that is huge, because I think, and you can see it when the patient is, showing you their wounds during an initial visit. There is a lot of pain associated with, the taking off, putting it back on, and, you being able to mitigate that pain, because you're right, at follow-up visits when they're showing me areas, they're not in pain with the HidraWear product. So that's really anecdotally from our patients that started using HidraWear. You can see, how much happier they are just by being able to manage their wound, not be afraid of having drainage, given that they want to be living their lives. They want to go to a party. When I first see patients, just from examining them, you can see a lot of what they're currently using. And a lot of times, it looks extremely painful, just the process of getting off, the bandage or whatever type of current system they've usually developed over time themselves. But, giving them a better option that is really designed for HS, I think that is such a game changer.